offending you? You're brown. Remember.
Yes. Stash line to brow line. With your Christmas goggles. Very fancy. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. My grandma hates me.
Is there chicken on there?
Sorry, I panned down your clavage.
Is there chicken sauce on there?
Chicken sauce. I just snorted. That was gross.
You're gross anyway, so. I got extra crispy down my.
That's totally inappropriate.
Look at all her nails there.
Because I'm
You're not
fancy.
doing down here, are you?
I'm filming your boobs. You pull it down before you pull it back up.
Yeah. Go film that cock on the bathroom door. Huh?
Oh, I'm supposed to go film the cock on the bathroom door. There's children. I'm trying not to be too loud.
I guess it's supposed to be a chicken.
It's supposed to be like a hen, but
I got mixed up.
perhaps. Let's walk to the bathroom.
You're always in a
We're
hurry.
going to the bathroom.
It suits my nature. I can't always
My grandma's antsy.
Sometimes
We're gonna go walk to the bathroom. Okay. Walking to the bathroom. Walking. Okay, so that, ladies, cock, don't get it. Although, okay, I guess I get it. That one, yeah, it's still inappropriate. See, this would suffice, but oh well.